Welcome to this video, and in this video I will be showing you how to create a laundry flyer design. So first thing we have to do is we are going to change the size to 1080 by 1315, which is Instagram portrait size. Okay, so we'll be going to the background and then change the background color. Click on the fourth setting here, then you click on this, change the color. So the first color we'll be using, the X code is A7 D9 FE. Okay, so we click on OK, and then for the center, we're changing the color to F2 F9 FF. Oh yes. Okay, so we have the lighter blue. Let's increase this so that the center can be more lighter. Okay, so save that. Then let's import our laundry equipment. Okay, so for the washing machine, let's reduce the size, bring it here. So you can see that the edge of the washing machine is showing on the left hand side, so we are going to erase that part. So come to eraser, increase this and this, and then we are going to just play around this like this, and yeah, we have this here. Okay, so let's import our folded clothes, pressing iron and detergent. Okay, let's move this more to the side. We can lock both, so let's import pressing iron. To resize this, place it here. So take the iron to the back of the wrapped clothes to show that the iron was placed on the wrapped clothes. Then we'll lock the iron as well. Then import our liquid detergent. So yes, we can forge ahead. Alright, so let's write the name of the brand, which is Bright Wash. Okay, so the font we'll be using is Nexa bold. Let's increase the size and then change the color to black. Okay, so laundry. Then let's make use of Montserrat black, and then we can increase the size. Okay, let's change the color to the gradient color. So for the darker blue, we'll make use of the X code 00 005 C97. Yes. So for the lighter blue, we'll be making use of B6 F F F F. Yeah. Okay. So now we can see that the top of the laundry is not really visible. So what we'll do is that we are going to copy the laundry and then we'll remove the color. Switch back to color, then we'll change it to transparent. Let's see, just click on the plus sign and then you move this last one to the left hand side, so you can see that it becomes invisible. So you go to stroke and then you turn on the stroke. So let's reduce the stroke to 1. Then you are going to be changing the color to a darker blue. Oh, sorry, not the color, rather the stroke color. So we are changing to a darker blue, and the X code for the darker blue is 002 C4A. Okay, so we'll bring it here now, and then we are taking it to the back of the laundry. So we only want the font to be visible or to show very well at the top of the first laundry we wrote, so that the top that was not already visible will become visible. Okay, so now that it is visible, we can lock all the elements so as not to move them by mistake. So the next thing you do is you add the tagline for the brand. So tagline is transforming your clothes, comma, transforming your day. So let's change this font to Montserrat extra bold. Then let's change the color to black. I'll resize this. Okay. So for the grid, we can turn on our grid. For the left hand side, let's make it 10. So we can follow 10 routes. Or preferably, let's make it 8. So let's move the Bridgeport laundry and transform it to the left hand side so that it can be properly aligned. Yes. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is that we're going to be creating a shape. We're creating a shape. So now let's reduce the size of this. Change the color to blue, the dark blue, then increase the radius. Okay, so copy the shape and then we are going to go to edit, remove the radius and then change the color to black. Change the color to black and then bring it here, move it, increase this, and then we are going to cut out that part. So merge the two shapes together. and then you come to erase color. Click on this color dropper and then select the black color. So you can see we have removed the black shape and it has cut out that part. So we increase the tolerance to 12. Okay, so let me bring back our alignment so we'll not miss out on the alignment. Alright, so let's add our text. Our services. What does the brand offers? Let's change the font to Nexus. Then the color. To a default yellow on Pixellab. So let's go to style, underline, let's resize. Okay, so the next thing we're doing is that we are going to be writing what the brand offers. So they wash and food. You dry clean. Let's dry cleaning. And wash. There's a wash with ends, depending on the material. Stain removal. And wash and iron. Okay, so we're going to change the font here to Nexus also. Change the color to white. I'm going to reduce this size. Sorry. So it looks jam-packed, so we are going to add line spacing. Yeah. So the next thing we're doing is we are going to be importing check marks. Okay. So I'm going to be removing the white background. Just go to erase color and then increase the tolerance to 13. Yeah. So size this. So let's change the color to yellow. Then we can reduce the size and bring it here. So make sure that the check mark is aligned to the beginning of our services. So we can move this. Okay, and then let's copy. copy again. Copy again. Copy again. Now place it here. Yeah, okay. So since that is done, so the next thing we'll do is lock the elements and then creating a new shape for the address. So let's change this to a gradient color, and then because of this, yeah, so let's check out the X code. For the lighter blue, the X code is 31BBE2, while for the dark blue, 1C9AE7. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is, have we added radius? Okay, so let's add radius to it. Let's reduce the size of it, and then add radius to it. Okay, so let's create another shape now, then add it. So yeah. Let's change the color to a dark blue, then we can move it upward and add radius to it. Yeah, so this is cool. Okay, so let's see if it's aligned to the left. Not yet, so let's move both of them so we can align it to the left. Yes. Let me bring this one forward a bit. Okay, so the address number 12 at Dairy Big Bakery Cents. Ikeja, Lagos. Then we can change the font for this also to Montreal Black. Let's change the color to white so that it can contrast well. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post more valuable content, and don't forget to share to others so that they can also benefit. So to get the resources for this particular design, just scroll down to the description of this video and then you'll find the resource link. Click on it and then you'll be directed to Google Drive, where you'll be able to download all the elements used for this particular design. So we'll be importing our location icon. So it has a white background as well, so you come to erase color, click on erase color, change it to 12, and then you change the color to white, color. So reduce the size of this, and then we can position it here. So the size of this rectangular shape is too much. Let's crop out a bit on the side, and then okay, let's see. I think this is okay. So we are going to copy this shape as well, and then bring it down here. So you come to relative size, turn this off so you can easily change the width or the height. So once it is turned off, any of them that are moving will only affect the one you are moving and not both. But if it is turned on, that means you are affecting both of them. So for this, I want to implement the effect only to the width. So this is what I want. I'm going to copy the address, and then I'm writing a social media handle, which is bright_wash, and then I'm placing it here. Let me import my two icons. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. So we have the Facebook icon. Resize it. Let's change the color to blue, and then we can move it here. Okay, then the Instagram icon. Let's change the color also to blue. Let's reduce the size here. Alright, so this is great. I increase the size here to say 17. Let's increase the size here to 17 as well. Copy the shape. So we are going to reduce the width, and we are going to add the phone number. +234 70 358 57 678. Okay, so let's bring it in. Alright, so Let's move the rectangles upward a bit because I still need to add another shape down there. Okay. So now the brand offers 10% off. It is a discount to first timers. So we're going to be including it here now. So book your laundry service today and get 10% off your first order. Okay, then the font we'll be using is Montserrat Extra Bold. Then color black. Let's reduce this size. Make sure it is aligned to the left as well. This is aligned. Okay, so let's add a water, PNG, and bubbles. So this is the size of this. So take it to the back of the washing machine. So just hold down and then you continue moving downward, taking it to the back of the washing machine. Okay, so let's add bubble. Okay, so we can reduce the opacity of that to 91. Yeah, so ensure to lock it as well. Okay, so our design is set, but then before we end the design, the brand also offers free pickup and delivery. So let's add it to our design. So open it up here, then change the color. Let's increase the size a bit, and then you add stroke. Yeah, let's make it 3. So we add our text, which is free pickup and delivery. So you put at the center and then change the font. So Montserrat black. Change the color to white. No. Change the color to a darker blue, yeah. Then we resize this. Let's just make the color black. Yeah, so it looks more readable. Let's increase the circle a bit. Yeah, so we have our design ready. Then let's move this. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. So is there anything else? Yeah, so let's move this ones upward a bit. Okay, free pickup. Move it up a bit. And yes, our design is ready. So we are going to export this now and save. Okay, so try to look if there's anything we are omitting from the design. No, there isn't. So let's export our design. And yes, we have our design successfully saved. See you in the next video.